In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your TXT records in Cloudflare in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up email servers or needing to verify domain ownership, understanding how to add TXT records is a crucial skill for managing your online presence. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to Cloudflare's website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Logging in is a straightforward process. You can do this by simply clicking on the Continue with Google button if you prefer using your Google account, which is a quick and secure way to gain access. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to choose the specific Google account associated with your Cloudflare. Selecting the appropriate Google account ensures that you're accessing the right Cloudflare profile. Now let's move to managing your domain. Navigate to the domain you wish to modify. Domains are listed on your Cloudflare dashboard, making it easy to find the one you're looking to update. Once you're there, click on the DNS settings. This is where all your DNS record modifications take place. When you're in your DNS settings, you'll see an option labeled Records. Select this to view the list of records available for your domain. These records dictate various domain behaviors and settings, so it's important to handle them carefully. Ready to add a new record? Click on Add Record. A variety of record types will be presented in a drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to choose TXT as the type of record you're adding. TXT records are versatile in that they can hold arbitrary text data, which is useful for different configurations. Once the TXT type is selected, it's time to specify your TXT name. This name field is essential because it identifies what the TXT record will relate to, often a single domain or subdomain. Next up, you'll decide on the TTL or time to live. TTL determines how long the record is cached by DNS servers. Short TTLs can lead to quicker updates across the web, but longer TTLs reduce the query load on your servers. Choose a TTL setting that balances these needs according to your current requirements. Now enter the content of your TXT record. This is where you input the actual text data needed for verification or configuration purposes. Be sure it's accurate, as any mistake can lead to verification issues or misconfigurations. Almost done. You may need to add additional record attributes such as specific configurations or settings pertinent to your domain setup. Double check to ensure all fields are filled correctly. Finally, with all the details in place, click on Save to store your new TXT record. Once saved, Cloudflare's system will update the DNS records, usually taking effect relatively quickly depending on your TTL settings. And there you have it, a newly added TXT record to your Cloudflare managed domain. With these steps complete, your domain should be accurately configured with the needed TXT information. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your domain records confidently and efficiently.